Personally, I find AI one of the coolest things in the world, and after watching many other people mess around with it, I wanted to try it myself. So with that said, I created a new Unity project, opened a Blender, and made top-of-the-line models of a house in person. After that, I went back into the empty Unity scene and just slapped them in. After that, I started working on the main component, the
AI.
To explain the AI, I have Wedurft Blegft, a proud citizen of AI Tropolis. Depending on whether or not he has a job, he can be a food worker, water worker, or some other type of worker. He has a work shift ranging from morning to night, and he has resource bars for food and water, which decrease at a constant rate depending on what he is doing. All the jobs and shifts in the simulation are randomly assigned, by the way. Now, for the city layout, the middle region is generally the residential area. Beneath it is the food and water workplaces, and up top is the other jobs workplace. The middle is where citizens grab a bite or drink if they need it. After coding and refining everything, I ran the simulation. I understand that this AI is fairly basic, but it is a good starting point for a very advanced topic. That is all I have for this video, so like and subscribe, and comment what you think I can add to this AI.